In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Replit private. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so your project is hidden from the public and only accessible to you and anyone you choose to invite. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Replit. In the results, look for the official site with the replit.com domain. If you see different ads or similarly named sites, skip those and choose the official link to avoid confusion. Once the homepage loads, find the login option, usually at the top right. Click that and you'll see sign-in choices. You can continue with Google if that's your usual account, or sign in with email if you prefer. Either method works. Just pick the one you already use for Replit, so your projects show up correctly. If you use email, enter your credentials and complete any verification prompts. If you've enabled extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that as well to get into your account. After you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the hub where all your REPLs, your projects, are listed. If you have many, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you want to make private. When you've located it, click to open that REPL. Inside the editor, look toward the top where your project's title appears. Click the title to open your project details. From there, find and open the cover page or project information panel. This is where Replit keeps the key settings and presentation details for your REPL, including its visibility. In the visibility section, look for the option labeled Private. Click Private to change the project from public to private. On many accounts, this appears as a toggle or a simple selection. When it switches, you should see a confirmation or a status indicator showing the project is now private. Keep in mind, some Replit plans require a paid subscription to enable private REPLs. If you see an upgrade prompt, that's normal. Follow it only if you want private visibility on that account. Once set, your REPL won't be publicly listed or viewable by strangers. You can still invite collaborators directly if you need to share access with specific people. That's it. You searched for Replit, signed in, opened your REPL from the dashboard, went to the cover page from the title area, and set the project to private. Give the page a moment to update, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building securely on Replit.